Today, ladies and gentlemen, is yet another important event, not only for the ministry but for the Fijian government. We will witness the fulfillment of yet another of the Fijian government's key initiatives. The Micro and Small Business Grant has completed its 36th round of disbursements today. And I'm delighted to meet all of the successful recipients of Nausori, who will today begin a new journey for themselves, their families, and their communities. You all should be proud of your achievements and the fact that your contribution to the Fijian economy will be recognized and acknowledged. And just last week I was at Syria Park to meet 1,213 micro and small entrepreneurs from Singatoka and the nearby areas. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to reiterate that the Fijian government's policies and initiatives are actually very long-sighted and not short-sighted for the short period. It is the vision of the Fijian government to ignite the entrepreneurial spirit in Fijians, and this is embedded in our 5-year and 20-year National Development Plan. The NDP sets the overall vision of promoting entrepreneurial culture through sustainable micro, small and medium enterprises. The growth of the MSMEs is essential for job creation, income generation, rural development, poverty alleviation, and empowerment of youth and women. Therefore, the policy interventions have focused on improving the institutional setting, access to finance, business incubation and training, and connecting MSMEs to the markets. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Micro and Small Business Grant is an initiative that enables you to get access to funds to start or grow your businesses. It is a leg up to you, to support you for what you want to do for yourself and for your families. Ladies and gentlemen, we had received approximately 8,407 applications from Nausori and the surrounding area. And this shows the high level of interest in the provinces of Tailevu, Nausori and Rewa to start a business, and I personally commend the effort that has been made. In this regard, this morning I'll distribute the first batch of grants to 1,045 entrepreneurs, and I wish to reiterate that this is the first batch of disbursements to the successful applications. The next batch of disbursements for this particular region will take place in August this year. And so for those applicants who have had validation visits but are not on the list today, the team will be visiting you very soon. The Ministry has continued to improve its assessment of applications received. So therefore, each applicant goes through a rigorous assessment process, which includes both desktop and field assessments. Hence, the recipients today have proven the ability and the know-how to undertake business and positively contribute to Fiji's MSME sector. Ladies and gentlemen, the number of applications received this year has reached yet another high compared to the last financial year. We recorded a total number of 47,045 applications that were received from 14 different centers, which includes Nausori. This figure provides an indication to the Fijian government on the level of interest from Fijians to take up business as a source of income and improvement of their livelihoods. Not only that, the result of the implementation of this program speaks for itself, and this is credit to all of you. The success rate is a record 81%. And with that, I'm delighted to announce that the Fijian government will continue to implement this program under the 2018-2019 financial year with a budget of $6.4 million as set out in the National Development Plan. However, the MSBG is not the only initiative for micro and small businesses that the Ministry implements. To date, through the MSBG program, 23,190 micro and small entrepreneurs have been assisted, and this has impacted the lives of about 115,950 Fijians with government's investment of $22.9 million. And furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, initiatives such as the roadside stalls, which was recently launched by the Honorable Prime Minister, provides vendors along the highway in the areas outside of the municipalities standardized stalls to sell their produce. This project will not only improve the standards and the presentation and hygiene of the produce, but will also assist to gradually mainstream these vendors into the formal sector. These initiatives, ladies and gentlemen, are simply to give recognition to micro and small entrepreneurs' contribution to the country and to the Fijian economy. The MSBG, ladies and gentlemen, is a unique initiative that has kept in mind the need to ensure that the opportunity for you to get further funding from a commercial bank to grow your business. The ministry has partnered with the FDB, and I'm also happy to say that the business development support services will be provided by both the ministry and the FDB to ensure that all of you that are assisted today will be sustainable in the future. These business development support services are provided through a mentoring service, business trainings, and financial advice, to name a few. In addition to the business development support services, the ministry will be conducting monitoring exercises to gauge the impact of the assistance and also to identify areas of concern that will need extra support, both financially and operationally. So ladies and gentlemen, I strongly encourage all the recipients here today who will be receiving their grants today to make the most of the little investment that government has placed in your respective businesses, and to ensure that you work on reaching even greater heights. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all very well, and I wish you all the very best in your business ventures. We thank you very much.
Andi Koini Marama.
6.
Andi Seriano Wati.
7.
Andi Tokasa Raikoso.
9.
Andi Winnie Mekula.
12.
Ajay Dat.
13.
Ajay Jaswal.
15.
Ajashni Prasad.
16. Roa. Dolu.
Kaira.